Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the tools. Start by checking the slider and the teeth closely. Lubricate the track with wax or graphite so the slider can move. This reveals if the problem is dirt or mechanical. Once lubricated, gently move the slider up and down several times to free stuck fabric or debris. If the slider skims but won't close teeth, check for bent or missing teeth and the top stop. You'll need to remove the stop next if adjustment is required. Once the top stop is off, slide the old slider completely off and inspect its channel. If teeth aren't meshing, the slider is often stretched. Pinch it slightly with pliers to tighten the channel, testing frequently. If that fails, swap in a replacement slider sized to the zipper chain. Make sure both zipper tapes are aligned and the teeth engage evenly. Misalignment here causes repeated failure. Reinsert the slider carefully, feed teeth into each. After the slider works, reinstall or create a new stop by crimping a metal stop or sewing a tight bar tack to prevent the slider from coming off. Test the zipper through its entire length 10 to 15 times to ensure consistent operation. This seats the slider. If fabric still gets caught, check for puckered seams and resew them smooth. If teeth are missing or bent beyond repair, replace the zipper chain or the entire zipper. That's the reliable long-term fix if other steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.